Come on. So welcome to another round. We will start with the typing. Start the timer. Let's go. I have a new keyboard, which is my best excuse for being trash at typing currently. And I'm trying to focus on not on the speed currently, but on the mistakes, just to not make them. Come on. Actually, firstly, I thought that Rambo and Freeman is the same person, just with a voice changer.
Nice. You get 11 out of 10 now.
I'm sorry, what?
11 out of 10.
I cannot understand.
Oh, sorry, So, I was curious how long until you checked my profile on Discord and noticed that.
You did not change your profile picture when you joined.
Sorry?
The profile picture did show as the wizard guy or whatever Freeman uses.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And it changed some time after that to this trolling. Yeah, trolling. I don't know what's the meme call is.
It is the, what do you call it? The trollolog? No, it's a troll. Yeah, I don't know. It's also good to so you know, when you actually click on it and notice, you'll be like, oh, okay.
Okay, so that's you, Freeman, right?
Yeah, and I'm talking about myself in chat basically.
But you got me. I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure. And like voice deep like that, that's freaky. That's actually freaky.
Imagine you were a girl and someone with this voice like would call you and be like, "What are you wearing right now?"
Oh my god. Did you see this streamer? It's called he's called some corpse husband, I think. So he's no.
I know him. Yeah, I do know him. I heard him. My God, he has a voice kind of like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's hilarious, and people keep commenting about his voice. I heard about like I didn't know about him until I watched some Among Us streams, and he was there.
Yeah, that's where I found him too. It's kind of funny, like how the people react to his voice. But I think it's a little bit different when you hear it in a YouTube video, and something else when he's in contact with you. You know, I think it kind of the influence is different.
Yeah, I don't know. Like when I hear that voice, I imagine that in real life he looks like some super big muscular human being, you know. But in real life, he might be like a little kid or something.
Oh yeah, he's really skinny. And it seems like what I kind of got from like other streamers talking about him and so on. He has some kind of disease which like damaged him, and he has some like medical problems, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. And one of the side effects is the deep voice of his, so it's not like it wasn't like this all the time, and he has some kind of problems.
I see.
Hey, Nanoxis, thank you for the follow. You will regret that, probably. Oh my fucking god, I'm better and better. Like last week, every single time when I did the typing exercise, I was like above 10% of the error rate, right? Like all the time. That was like really rare to get under 10. And today, all of my tries except one, I think, were under 10%. So that's awesome. I'm really happy about that. Anyway, so that concludes this typing session, and we will continue into Java. Where did you get that voice filter? That's some kind of program, right? You're running on your machine.
It's called Clownfish voice changer. I've been using it for like a long time ago. It's like very good when playing CS:GO, and you want to sound like an annoying little kid, and you want to yell at your team that they're not doing well.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
I'm joking.
Yeah,
So it's
I have heard.
Sorry?
I have heard that the CS is full of 12-year-olds which slept with your mother. That's someone told me that. I never played it, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, static rows can be accessed calling with the class name. Yeah, we did that. Public static final, then variable names, constants are all in uppercase. Well, that is convention. That it's not forced by the compiler or anything. The naming syntax is the same. Okay, cool. So we go to the next part. Well, at the round number 3, I thought like, oh, I can do this, like no problem. You know, I feel like great. And there's like round 4, I'm like, I'm kind of tired, and it's like, that might be more difficult than I thought. Modifier types. Okay, so we'll go here. Okay. So we will do some housekeeping. Package, and this will be run 1, and we'll move those two guys in there. Fuck, I need to. Okay. Factor, go. Here we go. And I will create another package with run02. So we will need 2 packages because the access modifiers modifies the access rights depending on if the class is defined in the same package or not. So we will do the same thing here. I will create 2 packages. One will be A, for example, and the other one package will be B. Oh fuck, not here. You go here, sir. You go here, sir. Thank you for your cooperation. When I went to Chicago for the first time, to work. I went there and I entered this huge, well, this building, right? It was in some kind of building, and there was this bodyguard, or I don't know, like in the entrance, right? The security. But that guy, well, it was a black guy, and he had like, I don't know, 2.5 meters or something like insane like that. I never seen person tall as him. But he wasn't like tall in the sense like, you know, like really like skinny. He was, yeah. And I remember the first time I just went there and I just walked through it. And he goes like, "Sir, are you sir?" I did not felt comfortable at that time. Yeah, but I got some badge and then it was okay. Oh yeah, and we also had this shooter drill. Like they do, like they have these problems like when the people just go and, well, and they decide to shoot like children in school or in building for random reasons, right? So that was interesting. I was in the building and suddenly like it was announced like there's a shooter in the building, you know. But we did not know that it is an exercise. Yeah. The conductors of the drill told us that we would be dead if we behaved the way we did behave. Well, there you go. So here I will create a class, and this will be So we'll have a parent, then we will have in here we will have a child, and the child will extend the parent. And yeah, so here I will create a static field, public static field, public static string plus parent string, like so. What's the problem? Oh, text, and here what? First of all, increase the volume. Here we go. That's important. Oh damn it, I forgot to start the timer again. And now I want to demonstrate that I can access it from everywhere, right? So this will be in the B package. I will have to one will be a non-child, and the another one will be a child of the parent.
And be back later. I need to start my stream.
Okay, see ya. Bye bye. Maybe I will rename this to this will be B-child. Okay. And this guy over here will be A-child. Just to be consistent. Change this. Then I have the parent and in the chat. Okay, I fucked up. Parent. Paste, here we go. Then a child. I will have a method. Void accessing thing, nothing there, and I will try to access the first of all I can do this dot text. We can do that. It kind of works. Why it did not? If I have a look in, oh fuck, if I have a look in here, we have the text for the parent, but why the IntelliSense does not show me that in there? That's something I'm confused. Well, but I can access that this way, and I should be able to also do parent.text in here, so that works. And here, right? Then in the child, another child, the B child, I should be able to do the same. So then I say parent.text, no problem. And then in non-child, oh come on, escape, undo, insert, white, and I say so parent dot text, and I can access it in here too. So that is the most broad, right? Then we would have, oh come on, parent, and then we will have static string, and this will be package text. Okay. Parent package text, like so, and this should be accessible within the package. Hey, Colonel, congratulations on finalizing your work. So, and this should be accessible for the H child. I should have non-child too in here. Class A child. And take void C. I say so parent dot text. I can do parent dot package text in here, and the child, a child, I can do that as well. So and I say this dot package text that works, and I can do parent dot package text. That works. Then in the node child I did it right, so and next in the B child, so parent dot, and here the doesn't work, and it even says is not public. Yeah, so cannot be accessed from outside package. So this is what the package default is. And in the B non-child, I do, oh fuck, B child, I wanted to do as well this, which would be salt, and I will do this dot package text, and this also doesn't work. You know, so that is an offspring, but it's not in the same package, so the flock. Okay. B non-child, that will be the same. Parent dot package text. Also have the problem. It's not accessible from outside the package. So then we go to the parent again, and here we will have two another levels, and the next one is protected. Text, like so. Now in the child, it should be accessible in the same package. So it should be this dot protected text, no problem. Why is this orange? Static member accessed via instance reference. Okay, so if this would be static, that will solve. I see. Static void, static method, So, and I do. Okay, so here it kind of works better. And I can do even text. And that will work. I see. Is this a problem? Never used, yeah, sure, doesn't care, don't care. Static member, it's accessed by instance reference. So it wants me to access it this way. Okay. So the child can do it, and then another child. We will have a parent dot protect that text, and it doesn't work. It's non-static field cannot be referenced from a static context. Okay. Now what? Cannot be referenced from a static context. Come on. And here it says did I screw it up? Related to parents. It is I see. That is the problem. Why it did not matter? Oh, and in the child, it did not matter because you could access it through this instance. I see. That's good to know. I know child. This should be okay now, right? Oh, it's not static, god damn it, anymore. Parent, save. F2. Show, Alt, Shift, Enter. Okay, I need a, you know, visit the room. And forget to mute. So what I want to do is, yeah, the stream manager. Have a look at it. Oh fucking A. I'm not playing coding game. I didn't update. Okay. Cool. One viewer, and the viewer would be me, I guess. Okay. So why this doesn't work? I kind of feel that I did change it. I did change it already, and just it doesn't reflect. Non-static field. And here is non-static field cannot be referenced from a static context. But I did change it to static. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Protected static thing, and maybe now it will work. Save it. Looks like it works. Okay, so we have the parent and the A package, and then we have the protected string, and we are trying to access it from a child, which is the child within the same package, and there is no problem, we can do that. The protected, it was the protected text, yeah. And in the a non-child, the protected text can be also accessed. Then I will try to access it out of the package. So that will be pay child. Has protected access. Okay. What about through? Okay, I'm a bit confused. Protected should be visible to all subclasses. But here's the, oh my god, I didn't extend it. Extends parent. Suddenly I can. Okay, and then the B non-child, which is in the package B. Oh, I have text, package text. Am I missing something? No, text, package text, and now the protected text. I should not be able to access that. Alright, it says protected. Okay. And then we have a private modifier. Like so. And it will be so not accessible by anyone. Private text cannot resolve symbol. Do I have typo? Paste. Over here, and it will not work anywhere. Okay. I don't feel like doing that. And then we have static, final, abstract, and synchronized. Trust. Okay. So we have basic operators, and we are at the end of this round. Okay. So we'll continue with another round after the food break.